Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, welcome back. Today I've got for you, and this was sent to me by ReadyWise company to check it out, tell you what I thought, and I want to show you they sent me this 14-day bucket of prepared food. It's emergency food supply. They claim got 25-year shelf life. That's a good thing. One suggestion right off the bat: don't unpack it. If you don't need to, leave it in the bucket. I don't know if I'll ever get it packed back in this bucket, but it's a nice bucket. Okay, so I want to go over what we've got with it real quick. I'm going to hit them all. This is creamy pasta and vegetables. A couple of bags of whey milk alternative. 3 bags of brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal. That's 3 bags is 18 servings. We've got some pancake mix, 10 servings of pancakes, instant white rice, a couple packages of that, pasta Alfredo, 12 servings of that, 12 of cheesy macaroni, 16 servings of barbecue beans. That ought to be good. Orange drink mix. Now, it says 32 servings. Let me tell you, I grew up in the 60s, and in the 60s we drank Tang. Tang was what the astronauts drank. I'm not saying this is Tang, but I think it's probably the same type of thing, and we loved it. So if I could find it handily, I'd probably buy some more. But anyway, when it comes down to it, I think I'd look forward to drinking that. Anyway, it's a good, well-rounded meal. It's got some vegetables, some pasta, grains. Going to give you a lot of protein and things like that. So anyway, I think it's a beautiful setup. I'm going to try to get back in that bucket, and we're going to get it on the shelf and save it for what may come. I don't talk a lot about prep business, prepping equipment on this platform, but there's something to that. We all got to be a little bit ready for something. So this is a good thing. It's a good way to get started with it, I think. So give it a try. I'm sure you'll be impressed as I am. Thanks. Bye now.